Do you want to know what it's like cruising in 2022? This is day one of my 6-day cruise on the Carnival Panorama. In this video, I'll be showing you Embarkation Day and what you can expect from the first day of your cruise. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on days 2 through 6, as well as a special video on what food is included on the Carnival Panorama. Because we drove to this cruise ship, we did park in the cruise terminal, which is an extra charge, and this is where the porters collect our bags and deliver them to our rooms. So here's my boarding pass. I have an arrival appointment time that I'm supposed to technically arrive in between. Then you got your final boarding time. And then now, because of COVID, we've got to bring our negative test results. Once you enter the cruise terminal, you'll be guided into a line where you'll wait with your family to be called over by a Carnival crew member. And at this table, this is where you'll present your passport or birth certificate, your negative COVID results, and your vaccination cards. If you weren't able to get your COVID test done before the cruise, Carnival does have COVID testing starting at $100 in a separate section. You guys ready? I'm ready. We're getting on the boat. We're getting on the boat. The ship. We're getting on the ship. We haven't taken a cruise in what, like 2 years? Yeah. We haven't been on a cruise in 2 years because of COVID. I'm so ready. The halls are very narrow, so the first time I took a cruise I was a little claustrophobic, but you get used to it. Like, that's how narrow the halls are. So when you're passing people in the hall, you literally gotta scoot to the side. But when you get on the boat, they're gonna be dropping off your luggage outside of your door, and then you just bring it in and then head to the Lido deck to get something to eat. Alright, this is a standard balcony room. We ordered water to be waiting for us in the room. Krista, guys, there's my favorite water, so I'm happy about that. What's up, Shaq? This is a standard balcony room. There's your balcony. Step out. Then I'll show you the bathroom. Small bathroom. Just enough to get in, do what you gotta do, and get out. Alright, he ain't waste no time.
No, he said I ain't standing for this.
So this is a king bed. You have a room on your own with a balcony. Another view of a
The second, right?
balcony. And your balcony is going to be separated from the other people for some privacy.
Dude, I'm not standing for this.
He went to guest services?
Yes. Okay.
Where did Jay go?
He went down to get his platinum card. He got a blue card, which means this is his first cruise, which is not the case. So he said, I'm not standing for this, and he's getting his platinum.
Yeah, gotta have that platinum card because that platinum card comes with benefits. We're making our way to diamond. We can't be starting back at blue. Come on now.
No.
So I'm walking up to my room right now. My bag is sitting here waiting for me. And then here are my keys. So since I was the fifth wheel on this cruise and I did not have a roommate to split the cost with, I decided to go with the interior room. Usually I'd get an ocean view, but let's be honest, we're not really in our rooms on the cruise anyway, so it's more cost effective. Why not? Interesting elevators. Go ahead, Mommy. You're gonna push where you're going. Lobby. Because there's no buttons inside of the elevator.
Where are you going?
Where's Charlie? 3?
You should went back.
On day one, guest services is usually pretty busy with really long lines, so we used to like to wait until a little bit later for things to die down. The good news though is if you're a diamond or a platinum member, there are 2 separate lines, and diamond and platinum lines tend to be a lot shorter than the other line. This is the diamond platinum line. On day one, we like to get our Carnival Hub app started, so we jump into the app, purchase the chat, and start adding everybody in, because this way, even if you don't have service or internet with this app and the $5 charge, we're able to text all of our family members. Carnival also doesn't give out any paper itineraries anymore. Now it's all in the Carnival Hub app, so we're able to see what's going on for the entire day in the app. After everybody is settled in their rooms or done with guest services, they head to Lido Deck where they grab lunch while we wait for our safety demonstration and for the sail away party. There were so many yummy options of food included in this cruise for free that I had to make a whole nother video just to show it all, so make sure you tune in and check it out. So it's finally time for the safety demonstration, and everyone on the ship heads to their designated muster stations. This is where we'll be individually taught how to put on our life jackets and where we go in case of a ship emergency. The safety demonstration is mandatory, so don't even think about hiding. They will call your name over the intercom, or they'll come find you in your room. These are snacks that you pay for. And here's my muster station. Hi.
Hello.
How are you? Once the demonstration is over for everyone on the ship, you're free to move about and explore until the sail away party. Now that everything else is out of the way, it's finally time to cruise.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight.
Well, that's pretty much it for day 1. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video, days 2 through 6, as well as the video on all the food the Carnival Panorama has to offer, like this pizza shop in the back. Thanks for watching.